Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngama-signings amasha awu-2 we-Kaizer Chiefs, u-Ethan Cheslet, uShinga, abangakadlali not even a single minute for i-Kaizer Chiefs this season bafethu. Bekunama-big expectations mabafika laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, especially uShinga simbonile edlala kahle kakhulu laphana aku-pre-season, but-ke akawathola ama-opportunities ukuthi adlale. Ngifokhasa kakhulu kuShinga Cheslet namhlanje. Why? Because uShinga uMako off, uMako uyalimala, but uShinga is not even getting few minutes. Laphana ku-position there was a time la kulimala no-Crossbar change abafaka uMcCarthy than uShinga. Imagine uCheslet manje he made the bench previous game, but-ke ngathi confidence ocoach abanayo kuye. Why? Cabanga uMaboya akakadlali, uNdlovu u-off, ulimele uNdlovu, but-ke akakayitholi i-opportunity ukuthi adlale. Siyazi ukuthi mangibala nabo-Ndlovu ngiyazi ukuthi okay, uNdlovu akusi i-attacking or a creative midfielder, but guess what, i-versatility laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs is very important because nicompete-ela ama-position awodwa isikhathi esiningi. So singeneni kuyo bafethu, singayikhi phezulu. So uCheslet noShinga-ke amagama lawa bafethu ku-Kaizer Chiefs akhose ibhazi serious, especially uCheslet because Ethan Cheslet because bamdevelope laphana e-England, bekubonakala ngathi i-missing puzzle laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, uzokwazi ukwenza izinto zenzeke, but-ke abakadlali nokudlala since basayina. Sabona ukuthi ba-travela ne-Kaizer Chiefs baya laphana e-Netherlands, bekunama-big expectations from ama-fans, and I think kumele siyi-question le nto le, siyi-questiona based on ukuthi mayenza kahle i-team, okay, we have no problem ukuthi siyi-questione, but-ke i-team i-on and off iya le nale, but still these two are not given an opportunity to play. Imagine if isquad sesi-full sonke-ke sesiphelele, bazokwazi ukudlala nala abantu abangadlali noma isquad esingaphelele. Shoda kakhulu kabi isquad, khona ama-new signings angakadlali nokudlala. Imagine mase sokudlala wonke lama-new signings, bonke abafana sebadonsa nabo-Thulane Touch Mabaso. So I mean you could see ukuthi eish basemuva kakhulu. Bahambise no-Happy Mashane laphana ku-left back or left wing kuleyo position because of uMako uyadlala kuleyo position le, u-versatile naye, but ukudlala isayidini lakwa-left. But uShinga naye ufitha same description, but akakatholi opportunity ukuthi adlale at all bafethu. Why are they missing? Why bangadlali? UShinga ngesikhathi kulimele uMako sabona ukuthi okay, potentially kuzoyithola i-chance yokudlala, but guess what lutho. Ama-coaches mayekhuluma mebuzwa ngabo bathi bazosithola isikhathi esi-perfect ukuthi badlale abadlali, but kuyabonakala ukuthi abanayo i-trust kula badlali laba abawu-2. There's no way ukuthi i-team ishoda kangaka ingaphefom futhi nakahle. What about i-team-ke mase ivukile iphefoma kahle? Kusho ukuthi abana chance at all abafowethu laphana ukuthi badlale. And bekuthiwa besazi ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izodlala ama-match amaningi, but-ke since bayinokhe ku-culling knockout, ama-matches wabo aloku ayancipha kancane kancane abazowadlala this season. Siyazi ukuthi i-pressure too much, badinga ama-results immediately. Kwazi bani ukuthi uCheslet ngoba uyi-good shooter, uyakwazi ukukora out of 18, angakwazi uku-adda something, spark, aba-edele amagoli, aba-edele naleyo creativity, or maybe akaka-adapt ku-aggression yaku-African football or yaku-South African football. We just have to wait and relax. i-Kaizer Chiefs isanamaplayer angaka-11 overall, amaningi sewayitholile i-chance ukuthi adlale, unless ovele bayo no-Batman because bekusasolve inkinga zabo laphana, nabo seba-cleared. Ovele baye no-Batman boze badlale kuqala kunoshinga, but ovele baye bebadila ney'nkinga for the past 2 months zokuthi abakwazi ukudlala. UShinga ulethe i-experience, uCheslet ulethe i-experience enkulu yase-England laphana la develop khona i-creative midfielder. Ushaya amagoli amaningi kakhulu bafethu, technically gifted, and then usharp, even ama-movements wakhe u-intelligent, uyakwazi ukulinkana nama-play. But-ke the big question ukuthi maybe akaka-adapt to-aggression yasebholeni lase-South Africa, maybe kunamanye ama-factors, ama-contributing factor amenza ukuthi angadlali. Kaizer Chiefs ede something different, i-composure namagoli ne-vision overall from i-midfielder. Whereas-ke masibheka uShinga yena uyi-left back wase-KZN, yes, but-ke i-upper development yakhe bamhambisile laphana waya ePortugal. EPortugal udlale over 6 years laphana, so ufiziki unomzimba, uyakwazi ukulwa, like in terms of like ifiziki, one-on-one nabantu. They say they're fighting for the ball. I don't think he will track back because unayo leyo nto leyo kuye. Physique right, une-confidence, ufast mephethe ibhola, ucabanga uku-attack isikhathi esiningi ukuthi a-contribute-ele i-team overall. I mean maybe unatural ngempela laphana in terms of like, ungikhumbuza kancane uTshepo Masilela, but uTshepo Masilela, he was a traditional left back, he didn't have the flair of going forward, but uShinga unayo leyo nto leyo. ukuthi une-flair, una-everything ongayifisa eplayini, especially i-modern left back but akakadlali. Mesane laphana ama-fans bawabhilive ukuthi okay, ngoba mncane u-quick laphana ku-full back, futhi-ke into abayithandayo kakhulu abantu ngaye i-attacking mindset yakhe. On paper, this was a well-balanced signing overall bafethu, but-ke ibhola alidlalwa bafethu ngama-headlines or emaphepheni or kuma-digital platforms, lidlalwa egrawundini. Fast forward-ke ama-match ebhethwe e-Premiership bafethu sekudlalwe I think 8 or so lapho nje uChesleti noShinga asikakababoni at all. Badlale Carling knockout abekho, badlale kuma-CAF Confederations Cup abakadlali abadlali. Even when kunama-injuries, cabanga uMarco akekho, uMunyani akekho, uMsimango akekho, uDudley akekho, ulo noMcCarthy uke waphuma, uMayo usekashawa injury esibili manje, so but they're still missing, unused at all. Bayatraina and kuthiwa batraina kahle, ba-registered yes, but i-selection zero, nix. No substitution appearance-ke kancane laphana kuboma-Carling knockout or la bawina khona, nix, nothing. Even-ke maybe amanye ama-teammates wabo mengekho laphana still they're not selected. But isithemba ukuthi hayi, but no, ithi ngiyibeke kahle, i-Kaizer Chiefs kumele ibe no-coach bafowethu, u-coach uzobheka ama-players wakhe for i-long term or i-short term. Manje laba bakhona baya-hesitate let's say ukuthatha amanye ama-decisions because they don't know if bazoba khona or ngeke babe khona overall. So it's very important ukuba ne-coach e-solid, noma ngithi ama-coach a-solid, i-leader elizoba i-leader ngempela, hhayi abantu ababanjisiwe noma abacushisiwe laphana. So badinga i-coach ezokwazi ukuba-lead, ezokwazi uku-select-a i-squad isayo nge-confidence without ukuphenikha ukuthi eyi Nkosi yami, I'm still trying to prove myself. No, a proven winner in terms of i-coach nomuntu ozoba ne-authority yakhe e-serious, and then-ke abadlali bazokwazi ukuqala bonke le phansi equally, and then bakwazi ukukhompithela for i-bases overall. But I think we have to understand ukuthi i-pressure yaku-Chiefs is too much at times. They need ama-results immediately. I mean, obvious ama-big changes laphana isikhathi esiningi angaba-affecta, badinga same energy laphana egrawundini. Uma ubheka ku-creative, yena-ke uChesleti ukhompyutha bafethu, kunzima kakhulu for yena because ukhompyutha noMduduzi Shabalala, akhompyuthe no-Gaston Sireno laphana ku-creative number 10 or ku-number 10 role laphana because udlala just behind the striker. But-ke uma uyi-player kumele ubonise i-versatility bafethu, khona bazokwazi ukupesha nanoma ikuphi la ongafitha khona, noma babheke i-game model yakho ukuthi ungadlala kanjani. Hhayi ukuthi ngoba usayinwe as i-number 10 wena sekumele ufele lapho, kuphelele lapho. If isikhala asikho lapho, yiphi enye i-position, i-second option laphana ongakwazi uku-contribute-a khona, nanokukhuluma nama-coaches ukuthi mhlawumbe unga-improve kuphi, usize i-team kanjani. I-fitness yabo bafethu i-perfect, maybe uku-adapter, maybe technical understanding yabo, ama-factors lawo nje maybe astopha ukuthi bona badlale laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But at the same time singasho kuma-coach ukuthi okay, there's no rush ukuthi babadlalise abafowethu laphana, cause ama-game, isizini isaseyinde kakhulu bafethu eqeda ukuqala. But-ke the thing is, uMayo bafikele emuva sedlalile already, noma kukhona iy'trayikha ey'ningi laphana. uMarco, uMunyani sebadlalile, ama-players lawa amasha. uNdlovu udlale immediately uma kuqala isizini. So uyabona ukuthi ayadlala amanye ama-player, but-ke abanye uMaboy akakatholi i-opportunity yokudlala. By the time edlala, yabona ukuthi bazobaphusha bayemuva kakhulu o-Ethan Cheslett. So it's gonna be highly competitive for i-pace laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. At the same time kuzoba brutal for abanye abantu, uthole ukuthi kunomuntu ongeke adlale laphana for some time. Then by the time bakufaka, I mean, you don't have that confidence at all. But-ke ama-decision na-coach overall ukuthi ufuna ukudlalisa obani kanjani. But yeah, I think the fans are frustrated online bafethu. They're always asking ukuthi where is Cheslett, where is Shinga. They want to see them play, but-ke okwamanje abakanikwa ama-opportunities ukuthi badlale. But hopefully akuzoba nama-opportunities amakhulu avelayo ukuthi badlale baziprove, because it only takes one game for umdlali ukuthi aziprove ngempela ukuthi okay, ufikile and uyafuna ukusebenza ngempela, uku-contribute-a kakhulu for i-team, because of as we always say ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ileka izinto ezimbalwa, but-ke maybe bebadinga lo i-final push from amanye ama-player, baphushane bamotivate-ane. Ngiyazi noma bangadlali uthole ukuthi ba-frustrated at the moment, but-ke babe highly motivated, bazowathola ama-opportunities if they keep working hard. Or i-Kaizer Chiefs seyi-realize-e uma sebafikile la badlali ukuthi maybe they don't fit the bill, they don't fit ukuthi badlalele i-Kaizer Chiefs. But-ke u-pay close attention to Cheslert u-Ethan Cheslert no-Shinga, Kanyiso Shinga, ukuthi bazowathola yini ama-opportunities wabo because kumele bawathole. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.